altar of oblivion.
So you finally returned to me, and with a guest. But first, prove yourselves worthy.
Aberroth! Face us yourself!
Entertain my dear sister for a moment.
Traveler, don't worry about me!
Such wasted potential. All of this would have welcomed you. You fight. The void comes. See the beauty we were denied. The terror turned her back on us. The void hungers. Bleak and worth. Darkness reigns. The gods tore our world apart. They deserve their fate. We treated the world no better. Death is our legacy. Oblivion! Weak and worthless. Die. We can work. The world called to Orbis. This is his answer. The void comes.